the market wisdom. Agreed, not every day can be up day, but the negative takeaway is that the Nifty's bullish momentum is fading hurriedly. Nifty's all-time high at 26,373.20 now acts as big hurdle. Our call of the day: smooth sailing is quite likely at Dalal Street if Reliance bounces back in today's trade. A constructive tone is likely to prevail at Dalal Street if Reliance Industries stages a rebound in today's trade. RIL has firmly denied media reports suggesting that its Jamnagar refinery has not received Russian crude cargo in recent weeks or that it expects no deliveries in January. Meanwhile, near-term headlines in focus. 1. Escalating geopolitical risks after the US military action in Venezuela. 2. Potential escalation in US-India trade tensions after President Trump warned of swift tariff hikes if India continues its Russian oil purchases. Long story short, Nifty is likely to trade with positive bias this Wednesday, with bullish investors eyeing firm global cues after Dow Jones scaled new all-time high in overnight trade. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 108 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 1749 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest a breakout play. FANO January month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,700 and 26,900 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 10.02 levels. At last check, USD INR, January, was trading near the 90.40 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 1.02 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th January, is at 1.11. Nifty outlook. Markets flash green on strong global cues, it's still a green light for Nifty bulls. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 26179. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 26,057 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 26,373 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 26,100 and 26350. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 85063. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed at 84,853 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 86,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 84,700 and 85700. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 60118. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 59,707 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 60,500 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 59,700 and 60700. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. The two breaking news. 1. Copper prices have climbed to new record highs, soaring above $13,000 a metric ton, driven by a combination of boundless demand and tightening supply. 2. Dow Jones too scaled new record highs, ends firmly above 49,000 mark. Back home, Gift Nifty is flashing green in early action. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Reliance, minus 4.39%, 1,509 rupees. Reliance Industries witnessed selling pressure amidst escalating geopolitical risks following a US military strike on Venezuela. Reliance slipped from its record high of 1,611 rupees and 20 paise to an intraday low of 1,496 rupees. The BSE Oil and Gas Index also slipped nearly 1.82%. Meanwhile, Reliance refuted Russian crude report. 2. HDFC Bank, minus 1.49%, 963 rupees. HDFC Bank slides on profit booking after Q3 update. HDFC Bank, the heaviest weight stock on benchmark indices, slipped nearly 2% today, extending its two-day decline to over 4% amid profit booking following its Q3 FY26 provisional update. HDFC Bank reported 11.9% YOY loan growth and 11.5% YOY deposit growth for the quarter ended December. 3. Apollo Hospitals, plus 3.5%, 7,331 rupees. Apollo Hospitals shares rose after NSE cleared demerger of multiple health businesses. The company had received approval from the Competition Commission of India, CCI, in September for the transactions contemplated under the scheme. The healthcare chain decided to demerge its omnichannel pharma and digital health businesses, including the 24/7 telehealth business, into a new entity in July of this year. AHEL has proposed a strategic reorganization, enabling direct listing of its pharmacy and digital health business on the domestic bourses within 18 to 21 months, it said in an exchange filing. 4. Delivery, plus 0.25%, 413 rupees. Favorable income tax ruling. Delivery has received a favorable order from the Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals, which deleted a penalty of 1.37 crore rupees related to an earlier assessment order.